Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this vlog. So, I am vlogging. It is super exciting. Sorry about the way I look, but I am going to start putting out weekly vlogs. Basically, that means that I'm just going to vlog anytime I want during the week. Not every day, but anytime that I want during the week. Anything that's exciting or fun that I'm doing. Then I'm going to post the vlogs every Sunday night, like at midnight, somewhere around midnight. So I got this idea from my husband. My husband was like, you should start vlogging more. Don't you like vlogging? And I was like, I love vlogging, but I'm just not sure if people want to watch my vlogs. And he said I should totally try it and just do it for fun. Right now I am vlogging. I was going to start vlogging July 1st, but I decided to put this little mini vlog up first just so you guys know what I'm doing. So today is June 29th, and this video would be put out on the 1st, just letting you guys know that I'm starting to vlog weekly vlogs. So there is a few new things that are going on that I just wanted to talk about real quick, so you guys are all caught up on my life. The first one is that I was working at the beginning of the year for my uncle. He's an attorney. I was working for him. Things were great. Then he didn't need my help anymore, so I stopped working for him. And then I started babysitting in my home. So basically, I transitioned my entire living room into like a daycare. And I babysat for a few weeks. Then the kids that I was babysitting came and they were so sick, and I sent them home. And then I got sick, and I got sick with like some sort of sinus infection. Then it went to bronchitis, and then it went to pneumonia, like super quick. So I was sick with like pneumonia for the past 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I still have a bit of a cough, still have a little bit of a head cold. So yes, that was not good. So my doctor and everybody just decided that it wasn't a good idea for me to work with children right now. And if you guys don't know, I have a gene mutation. It's called MTHFR. It's a double copy of the bad variant. So I have to take special vitamins every day, which I'm getting ready to take right now. I just woke up. I'm getting ready to take these. So, yes. So we basically just decided that working with kids wasn't the best idea. Then I started working for my uncle again after I got well. And I worked for him for about a week. And then I sprained my foot. Well, everybody jokes that they should put bubble wrap around me and on me. And it totally makes sense. So I was filming a video about what I got at Bath & Body Works. And I got some shower gel. And it flew off my counter and it landed right where I broke my foot before. I promise this video it's not clickbait by any means. I am going to share with you how I woke up with a broken foot. So I will show you what my foot looks like. So this is what my foot looks like. You can see the yellowing down here. It goes clear down here, the yellowing. But look how black that is. And that was just from a shower gel flying off and hitting my foot. So after that happened, I went to the urgent care the next morning, and we got x-rays, and he said that he thought that I had broken my pinky previously or something, which I've never broken my pinky, or I don't remember breaking my pinky. So then I went to the foot doctor. My foot doctor was out of town, but I went to his partner, and he basically said that it's severely sprained, severely bruised, and that I did some sort of nerve damage. I smashed my nerves in there. And that it's too early for a break to show up if I have a stress fracture in that area. He did say that it's possible that there is one in my pinky toe, but we're not sure if that was from the past or from this injury, and that it's just too soon to tell. So I'm supposed to sit here in this chair for 2 weeks with my foot up, and it sucks. So basically I had to stop working for my uncle, and there's my kitten, Ari. My kitten is now 13 months old, so she's over a year now. She's grown so much. Yeah, hi baby. And then my other cat is 5 years old, as you guys know. So that's basically it for right now. I am literally sitting in this chair, nothing exciting. I'm going to drink this breakfast essential drink, which I drink every morning with my vitamins so that I don't feel sick, because it's a lot of vitamins. I'm putting up my 4th of July tree and decor idea video. Woohoo! Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. I was going to do coconut oil, but with my foot being injured, I can't really like take a shower and risk falling, because as you guys know, like if you use coconut oil in a shower, the shower gets slick. So I'm probably gonna have to hold off on the coconut oil for like 2 weeks until my foot gets better. But yeah, so I washed my hair and I'm letting it dry like this. I always have a towel around me just so it doesn't drip on my clothes, and I'm literally just sitting here with my foot up. It's miserable. But Arlie got home from work. He is doing summer school right now, so he gets home like around 12:31, which is really nice. He usually gets home around 3, sometimes almost 4 when he has his club. So literally we just had lunch together and watched a movie, and then we took a nap, which was really nice. And we're just chilling. Like, we're gonna have dinner in a bit, and then Arlie's gonna help somebody move in a bit, and literally it's just a chill day today. So I'll catch you up later when we're doing more things that are probably more fun. Okay guys, so it is Saturday the 30th. It is Saturday, and I'm doing a face mask for a video. That's why I look so weird. But yeah, I just got done editing the intro to my vlogs, and I love it. I basically was able to download all of my past vlogs and then take out little clippets, create the beginning of the vlogs, like the opening, and I'm like super thrilled with it. As I said earlier, I was doing a face mask and washing my face, and I was doing that for my skincare routine video, and I just finished it. Now I gotta upload it and edit it, and then I can get that video all edited and ready. So it is Saturday, and we're just chilling on Arlie's day off, hanging out, watching movies. He's gonna have like a game night thing tonight, and I'm gonna do some cleaning up in my art room, and I still got a hurt, injured foot, but we're trying to make the best of it. Okay guys, so I'm wearing one of my brand new shirts. It's forest green. Yes. And we're getting ready to go to, wow, that lighting's bad. We're getting ready to go to Walmart, and we're just gonna pick up a few things. There's this lotion I wanna try, and it's Natural Glow, and it's supposed to give you a tan in like 3 days. So I can't tan, so we're gonna try that out. But yes, yeah, we're just gonna go to Walmart, grab a few things, and then just come back, and Arlie's gonna go to the pool, and since my foot's hurt, I can't really go to the pool, so I'm just going to come back here and try out the lotion. Okay guys, we're vlogging our daily life here. Our door to our dryer broke, and it won't stay shut when it's being used. So we had this brilliant idea to get these baby contraption things to put on there to see if they work. Let's see. Will they work? Guys, guess what? It works. Woohoo! Okay guys, it's Sunday morning. I am tired. My husband's at church, which is where I should be, but with my foot and everything, I've been overdoing it a lot. There's Jinx. Say good morning, Jinx. She's giving herself a bath. Pretty extensive bath. Say hi, Ari. Say hi. I'm a big cat now. I'm a big girl. Isn't she beautiful? Except she only has one white whisker now. All the rest of her whiskers are black, so it looks kind of funny. See, she's only got one whisker that's white. She just carried her baby kitty all the way down the staircase. I should have been vlogging when she did it. It was so cute. But this is her baby kitty that I got her at IKEA, and it doesn't have any plastic eyes or anything on it. It's all material, so it's safe for her, and she just loves her kitty. She literally thinks it's her kitty. I am eating lunch and watching some Friends. I am just a huge fan of Friends, and I'm eating this, which is a copycat version of Cafe Rio's quesadilla, which tastes pretty much like it. It's super good. It's like really good. And I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm going to watch some Friends. Okay guys, so we've decided to watch The Office, and we're on season 7, episode 8. We totally love The Office. Okay guys, so that is the end of the first week of vlogging. So I only did it for 3 days, just this week was really short. So we're just probably gonna watch some of The Office and have dinner and just chill, and we're planning something fun for our 5-year wedding anniversary coming up. So I'll let you guys know probably in the next vlog what that is. But that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video soon. If you like this video, click like and make sure you subscribe for future videos. The next one will be out next Sunday night. Okay, bye.